Hello guys, welcome to this video. Assuming you want to get any of these flyers, or you see something else besides this particular flyer on Instagram and you want to get it downloaded so that you can make use of it, all you need to do is to go to Instagram, which I'll be doing right away. So get to Instagram and copy the link of the post. In this instance, we want to copy the link to this post on Sam Harvard's page. So all I need to do is go there. Let me search for it. So I think the post is on Sam Harvard's timeline or so on his page. So I'll go there and check for the post. So this is the post here. All I need to do is to click at the three dots at the top right hand corner. When I click on that, it's going to pop up like this, and I'll copy the link. Look at that copy link there. Click on it and copy the link. Okay, so then go to your browser and you're going to see on your browser, type in, let me clear my browser now. So when you go to your browser, you're going to type in Save Insta. Okay, you're going to see Save Insta. So just type it, because I already typed it in here. So just type in Save Insta and click on the first one there, and it's going to open up. It's a cloud-based software, so you don't need to download anything. All right, so scroll up a little bit. You're going to see this this is a free website, so there's a lot of advertisements there. So you're going to see something that looks like what's it called, a search bar. So paste the link which you copied there. You know how to paste. Just click and hold, and this paste notification will pop up. So click on that to paste the link. Right, I don't know, let me see, I don't know what's going on. All right, let me paste again. Let me try pasting it again. Okay, now the link have been pasted there. Okay, now click on download. Let's see what happens. All right, you can see that very image have popped up here, that very image. So the next thing you need to do is forget about all these advertisements that is popping up. So click on download button that is below that image. Click on download. You will now see it's going to be downloaded. Okay, to pop up here, I'll click on download. So it's going to be downloaded to my gallery now. It has been downloaded. So if I open it now, it's right there in my gallery. It's as simple as that. So I have it now in my gallery. So let me go back to my gallery so that you see. If I open my gallery, you're going to see exactly that which I downloaded here. So that is it here. So I now have it on my gallery. I can use it to do anything I want to do. So that is the way it's done. Very easy. Whether it's video you want to download, whether it's an image or whatever post you see on Instagram and you want to download this is the way you do it. It's as easy as that. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. Your boy Tochukwu. Bye for now.